Being a world traveler, I sometimes find myself ending up in a place I didn't even know existed. And one of those places is the secret of the South Atlantic Ocean, the island of Saint Helena. The island's remoteness made it an ideal place for imprisoning dangerous people. And in 1815, its most famous inmate arrived, Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon's tomb in the Seine Valley was eerily quiet. I couldn't get close to it. It was forbidden. To liven up the moment, I asked two volunteer guards something that they have never been asked before.
Okay, have you seen his ghost?
No.
Oh, come on, make up some stories. Make it more interesting.
I can make it more interesting for you.
From there, I visited the Longwood House, where Napoleon stayed and died. I was hoping to see a ghost, but all I saw was this guy.
Did you know Napoleon?
No.
Well, he didn't, but for a while, I got amused by my playful mind. Climbing up the 699 steps of Jamestown's iconic Jacob's Ladder could be very tiring. But I've climbed up more than 1,000 steps when I was in Tibet 2 years ago. So this was no big deal. On a video with a good editing, I was able to make it to the top without any effort.
And I don't believe it.
Back on the ground, I felt like I just winged it. Napoleon did not always paint St. Helena in its most positive light, but I beg to differ. On a cliff overlooking green mountains and a glimpse of the blue waters of the Atlantic Ocean, I will be inspired to write poems and musings about this place every moment of my day. It's been centuries since St. Helena was occupied, and yet this island remains a secret waiting to be discovered.